the law of logarithms. So let's take a look at the first law. So you have log base A nhập A times B, okay? And we want this, and we know that log base A of A times B is equal to log base A of A plus log base A of B. But how do we show that this is the truth? So let's go ahead and let x equal to log base A of A and y equal log base A of B. Then log base A of A times B is the same as saying log base A of A to the x times A to the y. And this equal log base A of A to the x plus y, which equal to x plus y. So then this would telling us that this equal to log base A of A plus log base B, plus log base A of B. Now in a similar argument, you can prove 2, 3, and 4, and let me know if you have any question. It's not mandatory that you know how to prove all this. However, you do need to memorize it for further section. Use the law of logarithms to evaluate the expression. Okay, here we have a subtraction. I can write this as log base 2 of 60 divided by 15. That is log base 2 of 4. So what number do I have to raise 2 to in order to get to 4? So 2 to the second equals 4. So that is 2. I can use the law of exponent to rewrite this as log base 3 of 81 to the 1/4. And that is, let's say, let that equal to y. Maybe it's easier for us to see. 3 to the y is equal to 81 to the 1/4. Well, 3 to the y, 81 is 3 to the third. 3 to the fourth, I meant. 81 is 3 to the fourth. Okay. This means 3 to the y is equal to 3 to the first. This means y is equal to 1 in this case. The next one, we need to rewrite this a little more in one term. So start with the first two. So this is log base 3 of 100 divided by 18 minus log base 3 of 50. So let's simplify this first. Log base 3 that divided by 2, 50 over 9 minus log base 3 of 50. So this is the same as saying log base 3 of 50 over 9 divided by 50. That is equal to log base 3 of 19. Let that equal to y. 3 to the y equal 1 over 9. Which means 3 to the y is equal 1 over 3 to the second, y equal negative 2 in this case. Use the law of logarithms to expand the expression. So here we have a multiplication. We can rewrite this as log base 6 of A plus log base 6 of B to the third. In the next term, we have a exponent, so we need to use the exponent law. So we get log base 6 of A plus 3 times log base 6 of B. Here we have an exponent, so we have to bring that down first. Log base A, the A divided by B to the fifth. So 4 times log base 8 of a minus log base a of b to the fifth. We bring down the fifth. Distribute the 4. Again, we start with expanding this out using the multiplication law. So let's rewrite this a little bit. Here we're looking at log base 3 of z to the 4 plus log base 3 of x times square root of y together to the 1/2. This 1/2 corresponding to the square root. So then we bring down this 1/2 in the next step. So now I can split this one apart. So note that here I have a square root, which means that is understood that y to the 1/2. So here I can do another one with exponent, the law of exponent. Okay. So now I have no more exponent. Actually, one more over here, right? So this equal to 4 log base 3 of z. Now I distribute the 1/2. So that's what the expansion look like. Next one, here we have ln. So this equal to the same as ln of 3x squared minus ln of x plus 1 to the 10. That is ln of 3 plus ln of x squared minus ln of x plus 1 to the 10. That is ln of 3 plus 2 ln of x minus 10 ln of x plus 1. Next then, let's use the law of logarithm to combine this expression. In part A, we have O addition, so that is simple, right? It is just a multiplication. Log of U times V times W. In the next case, we have some exponent. So we move this up to exponent, exponent, and another exponent. So we're looking at log of x to the 4 minus log of x squared plus 1 to the 1/3 plus log of x minus 1 squared. So the first one here we have a subtraction. Okay, so I can rewrite this as log of x squared divided by x squared plus 1 to the 1/3 plus log of x minus 1 squared. So now here I have an addition. So I can rewrite this as multiplication. So we're looking at log of x squared times x minus 1 squared divided by x squared plus 1 to a third. So why do we want to know how to expand and construct this logarithmic expression? It is so that in the next section we'll learn how to solve this equation. So in order to know how to solve this, we need to expand it or to put it back together or to combine them. In the next one, I looking at ln of 2 squared plus ln of x squared minus ln of x plus 4 to a half. So then we're looking at ln of 4 times x squared minus ln of x plus 4 to a half. So combining this, we get ln of 4x squared divided by x plus 4 to the half. We want to use the change of base formula to evaluate the logarithm and round the answer to 4 decimal places. So the change of base formula, log base a of b is equal to log of b divided by log of a. You can pick whatever base you want for the change of base formula, but in general we will leave it in terms of log base 10. So I can rewrite this as log of 2.61 divided by log 7, and that equal to, so log of 2.61 divide log of 7, that is equal to 0.4930. Next one, I can rewrite this as log 532 divided by log of 6, and that is 3.5030, so 31, since we rounded to 4 decimal places. We will not worry about this application problem for now. We will circle back to it in the later on.